Worried your baby is not eating enough, skipping breakfast, or refusing milk? Try this quick and healthy Ragi Chocos recipe. It's a game changer. Made with ragi flour, cocoa, peanut butter, and dates, these little bites are so easy to make and loaded with nutrients. Ragi is rich in iron and calcium, great for growing bones and boosting energy. Dates and peanut butter add natural sweetness. No added sugar, no fuss. Just dip them in warm milk and watch your little one enjoy a wholesome, power packed breakfast. Of course, you can have it too.